Here's a little fan I picked up to go with my big Eskimo box fan. This is just a little table fan, or 6 to 8 inch blade on this one. That same turquoise color. It's got a hollow base with rubber feet underneath. Kind of a neat looking old motor setup here. And a wing nut to adjust the angle. There's no power switch on this one, you just plug it in to turn it on. See if I can grab the cord here. This one's pretty noisy, I need to oil it yet. Haven't done a single thing to it. Be a nice restoration when it's done though. Definitely need to oil them bearings. Still spins pretty good though. It'll spin a lot longer than that after it's been cleaned up.